cold. And I am so scared. This should be David's neighborhood, so I should be at his place within 5-ish minutes. That's what Google keeps telling me. I don't know if I trust Google though. Our plans for today are to go to Canary Wharf, because there's this light exhibition there, and it just looks amazing. So you have to go and take advantage of it. I think I might be here. Oi, mate! I like this frame, it looks really creepy, man.
Oi guys, we got a mystery box here for $5,000.
Look at this teal and orange, I'm digging this. So if any of you guys are wondering how David edits his vlogs, I love this lighting setup actually, it's so like smooth. I'm now blind. So this is the city that we live in. Accept my offering. Look at all this gold.
I smell pennies. You did it.
Yes, 14 pounds. It's going to be gone in like 2 hours. This is the map to bank.
And if you see something that doesn't look right, 610.
He's gonna say it. He's gonna say it.
We'll sort it.
He's gonna say it.
See it?
Say it. Sort it. Yes.
The sound of heaven.
I can't hear anything anymore.
This is why I have tinnitus.
I think they say tinnitus, no?
Yeah, it's
tinnitus. They say everything 2 ways. Leicester.
Leicester Square.
Leicester Square.
I'm just so hungry.
David didn't eat anything for the past day or so. So now we're gonna go to a Pret.
I will never go to Pret.
He will starve before he goes to Pret. Alright, we should get going. I'm going to attempt to vlog and to take the photos at the same time, because there's never B-roll of me shooting photos, so I'll make my own. Mysterious things are happening above me. The hearts. Where did David go?
Oh shit.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing? Yeah, you can catch me on Adventure Playback, also Portraits by Sunny.
So what is that we're looking at right here?
That particular one is the hearts. That other one, number 5, yeah, the whale ghost. That's what we're looking at, is the whale ghost.
The Whale of Ghosts.
Yeah.
We can either move on, or we can use my new upgraded camera with blinding headlights. Do some cool photography over here.
Freezing, so let's go.
It feels like London weather 24/7 around here, you know? So David and I are taking a little break because it's cold as nuts out there, trying to unthaw, and then our plan is to keep going to this exhibit, and I think it should be litigious. So, you ready for this?
No.
It's so cold. It's so freaking cold. This is not a joke. So we are here, but we are underwhelmed for now. All of these should be lit, but they're not. Not yet, at least. They're going to be though, hopefully. Otherwise, someone is getting sued. This is not America, dang it. I can't do it. Not in this country, no. Oh, something's happening. This is what we came here for. Let's take some photos. That was pretty freaking cool. Basically, he said he needs an SD card. His is full. It just got full in the middle of the most epic part of this whole thing that we waited for in the cold for about an hour. Check any card, man.
Alright, so it's cool. Let's see you in London on the tube.